So you want to learn data analytics, but you don't have a laptop or a computer. I've got you covered. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to learn data analysis with your phone. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be showing you just how to do data cleaning with Excel. So in this video now, watch me while I share my screen for you to see how I will do it. I will use Microsoft Excel to do data cleaning and with my phone. This is not just any tutorial. This is me sharing my screen of me using my phone to do it. So if you're a beginner and you don't have a laptop, you don't need to break the bank. You don't need to get angry. In fact, you don't need to feel exhausted because I am here for you. I'm here to bring you the good news that you can start first. I'm not trying to say that you can do everything with your phone, but as a beginner, you can start learning the basics and the foundation. Okay, so let's go straight now. I want you to go to your app store, type Excel, then I've downloaded mine. If I've not downloaded, you see get why you get it. Okay, let's move straight to the tutorial. Here, this is my data set that I want to clean. First of all, I will try to wrap the test to fit into cells. Watch as I'm doing it now. This subscription, I will use wrap test. The same way it is on the phone is the same way it is on the laptop. You click on the cell, then go to the wrap test and wrap it will fit in. So here I fit in all the column headings here. You can see that. Okay, then after wrapping it, next thing now is to work on my missing values. If you look at this 107, you see beside it, yeah, you see beside it like on cell B9, you can see that there is nothing there. So I've decided to remove the row because if I leave those missing values there and leaving the rows, it can make my results to be unreliable. That is during analysis. So you watch me now how I'm removing it. There is no other thing I'm doing than to click on that row, then go to insert and delete. I will simply just click on delete row, remove the whole rows. Okay, so now I'm doing it one after the other. I'm using a small data set so that this tutorial will not be so long. I'm trying to know if I can use 5 minutes to explain this. Okay, you can see that I'm still removing. After that, I'll check again. I'll check my data set. I'll see that there are still some missing values. So I will try to remove them. I can as well fill in this, but I decided to remove most of the ones on alphabets. I will try to fill the age, but what I will use to fill it is 0. Yes, I'll just use 0 to fill it. So here now, I've finished filling it. I've finished deleting it. So the next thing I will do now is to look again. After checking now, I'm still fitting in like I'm still fitting it into enter in a cell. So now I can see that there are 2 rows that still has that missing values. I'll leave that for now. So I can spot a inconsistent format. The inconsistent format here is that the first USA is in uppercase while the last ones are in lowercase. So I'm trying to put the lowercase onto uppercase so that it will have consistent format. Can you see it now? Inconsistent format is one of the things you handle during data cleaning. So here now, I've actually updated this USA from lowercase to uppercase. Okay, if you look at my dates now, you see that there are still inconsistent formats there. Some of the dates started with year, before month, before day, while some others started with others has dash, some has slash. So if I analyze my data this way, I will have errors. My results will be inaccurate. So I have to make all the dates to have one format, and I chose to use slash for my own. You can decide to update everything to hyphen. It depends on what you want, but me, I want to use slash. So I have to match everything to be in the same format. That is me handling inconsistent formats here. Can you see that? Sorry, the video is going so fast. Yes, I don't want to take your time. So here is it. I've actually made everything to have the same format. Can you see? I'm still checking my data set to see if there are more things I need to do in the cleaning aspect. And here, if you look at the age, you can see that I've filled in the remaining the 2 rows that were empty. I filled it in with 0. Those are the ways to handle missing values. You can decide to eliminate the rows. You can decide to fill it in. Even in the email, yes, I filled in the email. So after filling in the email, I just have to check my data sets to see if everything is cleaned and ready for analysis. And as you can see, they are cleaned and ready for analysis. So here you have it. No more excuses. Go and start learning data analytics now. Until I see you next time, my name is Shaman Wosu, and bye.